Welcome to Sandra's Kitchen. In today's video, I am making a copycat recipe for Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. I will be making it in my Ninja Foodie. This is a super easy recipe to throw together and it tastes amazing. To begin, I spray the inner pot with some cooking spray. Then, in a large bowl, I combine 1 can cream of chicken soup, 1 can of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup, and 1 cup of sour cream. I mix this up really well, and then I add 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 thinly diced small onion, and 1 bag of frozen hash browns that I have thawed overnight. And I stir the mixture until well combined. Now I move over to the Ninja Foodie. I scoop the mixture from my bowl into the inner pot of the Ninja Foodie. I spread the mixture evenly, then I lower my lid. Once my slider is placed in the air fry stovetop position, I turn the silver dial until the bake roast function is highlighted. I set the temperature to 350 degrees and I set the timer for 20 minutes to start out. Then I open the lid and check the doneness of my hash brown casserole. I can see here that it needs to bake for a little bit longer, so I place the lid back down. Leaving my temperature at 350 degrees, I set my timer for an additional 7 minutes. After the 7 minutes, then I raise the lid and test for doneness once again. Now that my hash brown casserole is done, I'm going to plate it up. I'm going to be serving it alongside of some baked ham and sweet peas. I hope you've enjoyed my video and thank you for watching.